Today we will start lesson 7, Prairies, the grasslands. In this lesson we will learn about what are grasslands, prairies, grasslands of North America, its climate, vegetation and the life of people. Most of the grasslands are located in the temperate zone. As you know children, the temperate zone lies between 23.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees north in the northern hemisphere and between 23.5 degrees south and 66.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Now we will know about grassland. A grassland is a large open area of country covered with grasses. Grasslands are areas where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. The grasslands have many names. The grasslands are known by different names in different countries. The grasslands of North America are known as prairies. The grasslands of South America are known as pampas. The grasslands of Russia are known as steppes. The grasslands of Australia are known as downs. The grasslands of South Africa are known as velds. Children, look at this map. The green shaded portion are the temperate grasslands of the world. Now we will know about prairies. Children, the word prairie comes from a French word meaning meadows. Meadows means घास के मैदान. The prairies are a vast stretch of land in the center of North America. Vast means extremely large. This land is either flat or hilly and covered with tall grass for miles and miles. Hardly any trees are found. Before the coming of the European settlers, the land of the prairies was used as the grazing ground for herds of bison. Settlers are people who go to live in a new country. Grazing ground means चरने का मैदान. Land where farm animals feed on grass. Herd means a large group of animals. यूरोपियन सेटलर के आने के पहले प्रेरीज के लैंड का इस्तेमाल बाइसन के झुंड के लिए ग्रेजिंग ग्राउंड यानी चरने के मैदान के लिए होता था. The bisons were mercilessly hunted and today they are almost extinct. Mercilessly means निर्दयता. Hunted means शिकार. Extinct means विलुप्त. No longer in existence. Having ended or died out. बाइसन्स का निर्दयतापूर्वक शिकार किया गया और आज वे लगभग विलुप्त होने की स्थिति में हैं. Now we will know about the climate of prairies. As prairies are located in the temperate zone, the winters are cold and summers are hot. Here moderate rainfall occurs mostly in summer. Moderate rainfall means it is not too much or not too little. There is an occasional rainfall and snowfall in winter. Occasional means happening sometimes, but not regularly. कभी कभार. Children, we will know vegetation in next class. Thank you, children.